ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸುವ ಅವಕಾಶ ನನಗೆ ದೊರೆತಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬು ಕಳೆದ 5 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷನಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಾರಿ ಸುಮಿ ಸುಬ್ಬಯ್ಯನವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು 1 ವರ್ಷ ನಡೆಸುವ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕೂತಿರುವವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಬೇಕು ಇಡೀ ವರ್ಷ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸವಿನಯ ವಿನಂತಿ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಅವರು ರೋಟರಿ ಸೇರಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 19 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಅವರ ರೋಟರಿಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷನಾಗುವ ಕಂಕಣ ಬಲ ಈಗ ಕೂಡಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅವರನ್ನು ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಚೇಂದಂಡ ಸುಮಿ ಸುಬ್ಬಯ್ಯ ಅವರು ದಿವಂಗತ ಬಲ್ಯಮಾಡ ಅಚ್ಚಯ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ದಿವಂಗತ ಗೌರಿ ಅಚ್ಚಯ್ಯನವರ ಸುಪುತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಪ್ರೌಢ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಪದವಿಗೆ ಸೈಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ನೆಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋದರು. ದುರದೃಷ್ಟವಶ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗಲೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಂಕಣ ಬಲ ಕೂಡಿ ಬಂದು 18ನೇ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಮದುವೆಯಾಗಿಬಿಟ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಚೇಂದಮಾಡ ಸುಬ್ಬಯ್ಯನವರು ಅವರು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನವರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಬಾಕಿ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವುದಿದ್ರೆ, 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಚಂಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಗಳು ಟೀಚರ್ ದೇಚಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಬೆತ್ತನಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕೊಡಗಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯಾಗಿ ಮೊದಲ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರವನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ನಿಂದ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಸದಾನಂದ ಗೌಡರು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಅವರಿಂದ ಸನ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸಿನ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರು, ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರು, ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರು, ಹೀಗೆ ಹಲವು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಮಾಮಹೇಶ್ವರಿ ಭಜನಾ ಮಂಡಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಭಜನಗಾರರಾಗಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಭಜನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಕಳೆದ 20 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಸಕ್ರಿಯ ಭಾರತ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತೆ ಎಂದು. ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಎನಿಸುವುದು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಸದಸ್ಯರಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನು ಅವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನು ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ರೋಟರಿ ವುಮೆನ್. ನನ್ನ ಕೋರಿಕೆಯ ಮೇರೆಗೆ 2005ರಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಟರಿ ಗೋಣಿಕೊಪ್ಪ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಸೇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ವಿವಿಧ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಥೀಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಟರಿ. ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಇಂದು ಅಧಿಕಾರ ವಹಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಬಯಸುವುದೇನೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಹಿರಿಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. ಇವರಿಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹಕರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಇವರೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಸುಮಿ ಸುಬ್ಬಯ್ಯ. ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ವಿಜಯ್ PR ಅವರು. ವಿಜಯ್ PR ಅವರು ದಿವಂಗತ ರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ದಿವಂಗತ ಸೀತಮ್ಮನವರ ಸುಪುತ್ರರಾಗಿ 1959ರಂದು ಜೂನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊನ್ನಂಪೇಟೆಯ ಕಿರುಗೂರು ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ, ಪ್ರೌಢ ಮತ್ತು ಪದವಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪೊನ್ನಂಪೇಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದು ಪದವಿ BSc ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಕಾವೇರಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಿಂದ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಅವರು ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಯಾಗಿ PNTಯ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಯಾಗಿ ತನ್ನ ವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಹುದುಕೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಂಭಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೊಡಗು, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಮೈಸೂರು 3 ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 38 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನಿರಂತರ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ 2019ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಪ್ಯೂಟಿ ಚೀಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಮೈಸೂರಿದ್ದು ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ಹೊಂದ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿವೃತ್ತಿ ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ರೋಟರಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಸೇರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಅವರು ಇವರನ್ನು ರೋಟರಿಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಿದವರು. ಇವರು ರೋಟರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷ ಚಾರ್ಜೆಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಿಷ್ಠಾವಂತ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಸೇವಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನು ಮನಗಂಡು ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಅವರನ್ನು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಟರಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯಾಗಿ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬು ಚುನಾಯಿಸಿದೆ. ಇವರು ಆ್ಯನ್ ಶೋಭಾ ಅವರನ್ನು ಮದುವೆಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಪುತ್ರ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಪುತ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪುತ್ರ ಮೆರೈನ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಿ ಡೆಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಸಗಿ ವೈದ್ಯರಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Evening to you all, dignitaries on the dais and of the dais. The bell tolled for me on the 1st of July 2024 as per Rotary calendar, and officially today the 4th of July 2024, assuming change as the President of Rotary Gonikoppal. I know Rotary stands for service to the deserving, depressed, downtrodden, backward, poorly fed, disease-stricken and the demented multitudes of the community. It is indeed a nervous task to spread the wings of Rotary around them. I need not worry, for I have the Rotary team with me to extend the support of the needy. Rotary is a beautiful organization. We are like one family. 119 years of Rotary has set an example to carry out the well-planned projects set by the Rotary District Committee. I need strength, vigor and foresight to take with me the family of Rotary Gonikoppal on the road of service. Seeking all your cooperation, I know that I am the only serving president, I am not the ruling one. We should know 3 things about Rotary. One is time, discipline, dedication and determination so that we can reach our goal. A new year is upon us, from creative hope in the world to the magic of Rotary. A new beginning has to be made. As we look forward to the new beginning, let's learn, grow, hope and have fun in the process. This is Rotary. Let us go and seize the year. Before I conclude, I would like to thank my son Spen Changappa and my daughter-in-law Pramita Changappa for supporting me in every walk of my life. I thank all my friends and each one of you for the gracing this occasion. Thank you.
On behalf of Rotary Gonikoppal, we extend a very warm welcome to our installation officer, Rotary Major Donor PGD Prakash Tarant. A very cordial welcome to our PHF DM Kiran. We also extend our welcome to our Rotary MPHF Dr. M.U. Changappa. Welcome to all past AGs, secretaries, president of different clubs. Welcome to past AG Manjunath Acharya, our past AG Ratan Tamaya, our ex-MLC Arun Machaya. A cordial reception to all the presidents again. Last but not the least, a warm welcome to all the family members of our Rotary Gonigoppa. Thank you.
A dedicated Rotarian for the last 14 years, along with Rotary, he is an active agriculturist, growing crops like araknut, coconut, pepper, rubber, and other plantation products in large scale. PDG is a product of St. Aloysius College, Mangalore, with a BSc degree. He is a real estate businessman owning a firm called Deal Well Real Estate, which deals with developing land with real estate value. He has 2 offices, one in ground floor Mansa Tower, MG Road, Mangalore, another in second floor Lama Heights near KSRTC bus stand, Mangalore. PDG Prakash was awarded with Karnataka Rajyotsava Award for a social service in 2011. He joined Rotary Club Bantwal in the year 2010 and 11, served as a president in 2014 and 15. He started 5 new clubs: Bantwal Town, Loreto Hills, Madantyar, Farangipet, and Modern Cup. He served in various capacities like zonal coordinator, district chairman, assistant governor, and district governor for the year 22-23. As in social service, he was instrumental in construction of 3 houses for Koraga tribal Adivasi families in Narikombu and 11 houses for same tribe in Panjalkatte. He is also involved in many religious, community and social service organizations. PDG Prakash Karant is happily married to Vadi Karant and also a Rotarian. They are blessed with 2 daughters, Apurva, married to Vishnu Acharya, an entrepreneur, and Amulya, studying law in SDM College, Mangalore. Here is our chief guest, Mr. Karan. Thank you, sir.
ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವ ರೋಟರಿ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, ವೇದಿಕೇತರ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿತರೇ, ಈ ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮತ್ತೋರ್ವ ಅತಿಥಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಿತ್ರ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಈ ಸಭೆಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಲು ನನಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಶ್ರೀ ದೇವನೀರ ಕಿರಣ್ ಇವರು ದೇವನೀರ ಮುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಮತ್ತು ಪೂವಮ್ಮ ದಂಪತಿಯವರ 2 ಪುತ್ರರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿರಿಯರು. ಇವರ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ವಿರಾಜಪೇಟೆಯ ಸಂತ ಅನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿ ಮಲ್ನಾಡ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಸನದಿಂದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಪದವಿ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಿರಣ್ ಅವರು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಪರಿಣಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಮೀರಿ ಆಂಥೋರಿಯಂ ಹೂವಿನ ಕೃಷಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಪರಿಣಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತಮ್ಮ ಪಾರಂಪರಿಕ ಕಾಫಿ ಕೃಷಿಯಲ್ಲಿನ ಅವರ ವ್ಯಾಪಕ ಪರಿಣಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ ನೀಡುವ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸದಾ ಹಸನ್ಮುಖಿಯಾಗಿ ಇರುವ ಇವರ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ, ಸದಾ ಸಹಾಯ ಹಸ್ತ ನೀಡಲು ಮತ್ತು ಇತರರಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುವ ಇವರ ಇಚ್ಛೆಯು ಅವರನ್ನು ಇತರರಿಂದ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಕಿರಣ್ ಅವರ ಹರ್ಷಚಿತ್ತದ ವರ್ತನೆಯು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಉತ್ತಮಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಮತ್ತು ಇತರರನ್ನು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಾಗಿರಲು ಪ್ರೇರೇಪಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಅವರ ಈ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವೇ ಅವರನ್ನು ರೋಟರಿಯತ್ತ ಸೆಳೆಯಿತು. ಕಿರಣ್ ಅವರು 2004ರಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಟರಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆಗೊಂಡು ಸುಮಾರು 2 ದಶಕಗಳಿಂದ ಸಮರ್ಪಿತ ರೋಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿವಿಧ ನಾಯಕತ್ವದ ಪಾತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2013-14ರಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಟರಿ ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ ಅವರು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗಣನೀಯ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಕೊಡುಗೆಗಳು ಗಮನಾರ್ಹವಾದವು. ಅವರು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಟ್ಟದ ವಲಯ 6ರ ಝೋನಲ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ, ವಲಯ ತರಬೇತುದಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ತರಬೇತಿ ತಂಡದ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಿ, RI ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ 3180 ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರವಿ ಅಪ್ಪಾಜಿಯವರು ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರಾಗಿದ್ದ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ 40ನೇ ರೋಟರಿ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನದ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ರಾಗಿ, RI ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ 3181ರ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ MM ಸುರೇಶ್ ಚಂಗಪ್ಪನವರು ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರಾಗಿದ್ದ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಸಂಗಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿ, ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಯೂರವರು ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರಾಗಿದ್ದ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿಯ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ರಾಗಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ರವರು RLI ಅಂದರೆ ರೋಟರಿ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತರಬೇತಿ ಪಡೆದು 3 ಹಂತದ ಪದವಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಆನ್ ಯಶೋಧ ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮದುವೆಯಾಗಿ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಸಂಸಾರ ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಾ ಆರ್ಯನ್ ಬೋಪಣ್ಣ ಮತ್ತು ಆರುಷ್ ಗಣಪತಿ ಎಂಬ 2 ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಪೋಷಕರು. ಕಿರಣ್ ಅವರ ಹವ್ಯಾಸಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೂರದ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ, ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಅಚ್ಚುಮೆಚ್ಚು. ಇವರೇ ನಮ್ಮ 2024-25ರ ರೋಟರಿ ವರ್ಷ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಟರಿಯ ವಲಯ 6ರ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ PH ದೇವಣಿಯರ ಕಿರಣ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್.
To introduce our new zonal lieutenant Rotarian MPHF Dr. M.U. Changappa on this special occasion. Dr. Madanda Uttaya Changappa, born in Virajpet to the proud parents Dr. Madanda Uttaya, a dental surgeon, and Mrs. Radha, a homemaker. Dr. Changappa married to Dr. Priyadarshini, an associate professor in the Department of Pathology in Kodagu Institute of Medical Sciences, Madikeri. The couple gifted with 2 children, Ditya Kaveri and Diyara Ganga. Dr. done his school education at Vinayaka School, Virajpet, and PU at Kaveri College, Gonikoppal. He graduated with BDS from JSS Dental College, Mysore in the year 2004 and MDS from Savita Dental College, Simex University, Chennai in the subjects prosthodontics and implantology in 2009. Dr. worked at Kannur Dental College for 8 years and is now working in their dental clinic at Virajpet. Dr. joined the Rotary Club of Virajpet in the year 2016 and served as Secretary of Rotary School Trust during 2017-2019. In 2019-20, he was the Treasurer of Rotary Club Virajpet. In the year 2020-21, he was the Secretary of Rotary on its Golden Jubilee year. He then took up the responsibility of Rotary Club Virajpet as President in the year 2021 and 22. Doctor, on behalf of Rotary Club Gonikoppal, I wish you all the best for the forthcoming year as zonal lieutenant and expect a good service from you, sir. Thank you.
ಸತತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದ ಫಲವೇ ಯಶಸ್ಸು. Congratulations to the President Arun Thammaiah and team for bagging Gold Award for the year 23-24. My love to all of you. Dignitaries on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, pleasant evening. I am here to present the yearly report of 23-24. New office bearers of 23-24 was installed on July 3rd with the motto, Create Hope in the World. The installation officer, Rotarian PDG Suresh Changappa, inducted President Arun Thammaiah, Secretary Rotarian TU Mohan, along with other office bearers. And the projects celebrated Vanamosava Day at Janatya High School, Hudikeri, by planting fruit plants given by Dr. C.G. Kushalappa from College of Forestry. Guest speaker, Mr. Giridhar from Mysore, spoke about systematic investment plan organized by Rotarian Rajiv KG. Nature Conservation Day, RCG organized seed ball dispersion event at Nagarhole Forest. Event was sponsored by Oracle Company. Belera Siri Molakeri, paddy field cultivation was experienced by school children and Rotarians in Titamada Mohan and Nita's wetland. It was followed by some snacks organized by hosts. Bike riders from Hassan met RCG members for breakfast. The ride was from Hassan to Mahi. Independence Day celebrated at Old Age Home Hegala. Grocery and other needy essentials were distributed. Blankets and cooker to Anganwadi Gonikappa was handed over by Rotarian Rita Dechama. 75 steel plates were provided to Atul Primary School for midday meals. Honored teacher from Tattakere Government Primary School, Mrs. Yashashwini. She walks 3.5 kilometers to reach school. She's been doing this from past 13 years. Training camp was organized for blind people and sticks for the support of walking were given at Balale. Awareness program about health and hygiene was given by gynecologist Rotarian Dr. Sonia Madappa, followed by hemoglobin test at Ponampet Government High School. In associate with Department of Horticulture, training and distribution of honey boxes, colony stands to 30 beneficiaries at Nalvatapul. Beds were given to Anganwadi kids at Kaikeri. Distributed 6 tables and 30 chairs to Hathur Government Primary School. 3 tables and 20 chairs were given to Betty Sedluru Primary School. 30 numbers of tracksuits were provided to Tuchamakeri Government School. Rotarian Dina MK paid rupees 15,000 towards the cost of 2 injections for the treatment of a colleague who is suffering from Pemphigus vulgaris. 3 months cleanliness drive was ongoing toward Titimati from Gonikappa. It was collided with Rotractors of CIT and College of Forestry and Reliance Smart Bazaar. 60 kgs of rice was donated by joining hands with Reliance Smart Bazaar to Hegala Ashrama. Blood donation camp held at Gonikappa Government Hospital. 50 donors participated and 40 units of blood was collected. To wind up all the projects, Rotary Image Holding Board is put up near RMC Harishandrapura with Rotary 4-way test, awareness to traffic and garbage are the highlights on the board. Along with the above projects, RC Gonikappa happily inducted a new member, Mr. Kuniyanda Chetan, proposed by Rita Dechama, our dear Assistant Governor, Rotarian PHF Tilak Punappa, inducted in one of our dinner meet. RCG attended District Conference Prajna Parva with 15 members. RCG participated in all the respected events in cultural meet organized by Mr. Hills Madikeri. 1 in group dance, group singing, skit, solo singing and solo dance. Formation of new club, RCC, Rotary Community Corps, sponsored by RCG with 30 members. Successfully completed 52 weekly meetings, 5 BODs, 3 club assemblies. Children's Day was celebrated with Tattakere school children. Picnic was a day out to Wayanad, Kuruva Island and Banasura Dam with 38 members. International Women's Day was celebrated at Mysore. We had 2 Rotaract clubs, CIT and College of Forestry. 2 Interact clubs, Sarvadaita and Sai Shankar, all actively involved in Rotary program. RCG sponsored a chess tournament organized by Sarvadaita School, Arvatokul. Thank you so much. And here I conclude with a quote. Hasinaguta Bandeva, Nasunaguta Balona. Tusunaguta Terolona from Dara Bendre. So I wish very best of luck to the incoming President, Madam Sumi Subbaya and Secretary Vijay and team.
The year 23-24 was an eventful one with a series of events that came a full circle celebrating service at Rotary. As we come to the close of this year and the culmination of my term as a President of Rotary Gonikappa, I feel honored to have served this post. I am indebted to each one of you. Recollecting the year gone by, it was a mixed bag with opportunities and challenges, and I thank each one of you for all your supports. I want to thank this opportunity and acknowledge a few of my major donors, starting with my friend Dr. Nanda Kishore Nair and his wife Vishnu Priya, Rotarian Dr. Chandrasekhar and Dr. Rotarian Dina for all your gracious contribution. Along with this gratitude, a due respect of each of you, I wanted to use this opportunity to share some of my thoughts. The club can be a better place if we stop some behaviors like gossip, hatredness and groupism. Let us remember that Rotary is all about service, caring for one another and fostering the friendships. My wishes this team to stay focused and united and carry the legacy of a Rotary forward. With this, I want to thank my family, my wife Preeti and each and every members of Rotary Gonikappa for without your support, my journey as president could have been very difficult. I also want to thank all the aunts and aunts president for their contribution. As I make a way For my successor, Rotarian Sumit Subaya, I extend my best wishes for a role as a president. Thank you once again, and let the magic of Rotary continue. Long live Rotary. Thank you.
Here. Ladies and gentlemen, today I have the rare privilege of placing before you a brief profile of very enduring personality, Mrs. Adengada Poonam Pradeep, who carries herself like a queen, wears the crown of confidence, and is bedecked with gems of intellectual acumen. Mrs. Poonam Pradeep was born on the 19th January 1979 at Kutta in the affluent family of Mukatira. Her parents, late Mukatira Balasubramani and Mrs. Shanti Subramani, provided her love, the values, and the core ideals of culture that played pivotal role in shaping the exceptional caliber of their daughter, Poonam. Their ideals were enriched the pristine splendor of her childhood spent along with her siblings, Mrs. Shilpa Bagesh Mundanda, Mrs. Pavi Suresh Kodengada, Mr. Shiv Madappa Mukatira, and Mr. Kishan Kushalappa Mukatira. Poonam had her elementary education at St. Mary's Convent, Kutta. Then she moved to Bangalore for higher secondary and pre-university education, which she completed at Shantiniketan and Mount Carmel respectively. Later, she pursued her graduation at St. Agnes College, Mangalore, and her post-graduation both in English and economics, and her BA degree from Manasa Gangotri, Mysore University. With a passion for the noble profession of teaching, she took up the job as a teacher at CALS. Soon, the portals of Kaveri College, Gonikoppal welcomed this lady of rare wisdom as a lecturer in English and created a legacy of thoughts and living everlasting impression in the minds of her students. An iconic persona, Mrs. Poonam found befitting life partner in Adengada Pradeep, who is a civil engineer. The couple is blessed with a son, Master Janan Belyappa, presently pursuing his first year BS Sage at Shivamogga, and her daughter, Miss Vishishta Ponnamma, doing her first year degree in Biotech and Chemistry at Christ University, Bangalore. Poonam is multifaceted. She haunts talents boundless. She is an erudite scholar, a writer, a wordsmith who weaves the web of magic with her invincible vocabulary. Her brilliance, eloquence is indeed indomitable. Besides these intellectual attributes, Mrs. Poonam has a rare taste of gardening, and of course, her culinary skills are simply mesmerizing. Ladies and gentlemen, here I present before you a Wonder Woman, my best friend, my soul sister, a sister from another mother, Mrs. Adengada Poonam Pradeep. Thank you.
Thank you, Kana. I request Assistant Governor Rotarian D.M. Kiran.
August gathering, to attend this August gathering, firstly, as a Rotarian of your parent club, R.C. Virajpet, and as a Zonal Lieutenant of Zone 6. And more than that, I've got many friends in this club other than R.C. Virajpet. It's Rotary Gonikoppal where I have too many friends. And it's always a nice feeling, and it's like coming back to my home, because I always consider Gonikoppal as my second home. As we all know, Rotary organization is built on the foundation of service above self. Our zone has a rich history of involvement, community involvement, and Rotary Gonikoppal has contributed immensely for the same throughout these years in this part of Kodagu district. My own experience about Rotary Gonikoppal is like many clubs in this zone look up to you. You are always motivated. And even we got motivated. To share a small incident, I mean, around few years back, I think in the year 2019 or something, we had come to Hunsur for a cultural competition, and we just came to participate in one event. and then my good friend Rotarian Aditya was the president, I believe. So we had so much of time, and we were watching, and Rotary Gonikoppal was participating in every event with all the senior Rotarians, so much of josh and energy in them. And though we being a small club of just 27 members, but 40% of the members are below the age of 45, and we were thinking like, okay, fine, when they can do that, why can't we? And we took up the cultural seriously, and later on, we were surprised that many Annets, Ants and Rotarians who had the talent in them, it came up, and later it became a history, as you all know. Over the coming year, I'm sure RC Gonikoppal will build on the success by launching new projects, introducing innovative approaches with the support and guidance of DG Vikram Datta and Assistant Governor Kiran. And one more project of yours which really fascinated me was your concern towards the environment, where you meet up on Sundays to pick up the trash thrown by the tourists from the Titimati stretch to Devrapura. And it's always a nice feeling to drive through that road when you go to Mysore, because it's so clean and neat. And congratulations for putting up such work and bringing a change in the society for the environment purpose. Madam President, RC Gonikoppal is blessed with abundant talent. You have a great team, and I'm sure as a president, you'll do really well with support of all your members and reach new heights as a president, and your club will do really well in the zone in this Rotary year. And before I conclude, a famous author, American author Helen Keller, she had told, like, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. And congratulations once again, long live Rotary and its vision. Congratulations. Thank you.
First, I would like to thank Rotarian Machaya for introducing me to the audience. Then I would like to thank Rotarian Arun for his work done last year, for which he has bagged the award gold. Congratulations. And I congratulate the the president, Sumi Subaya, and her team for a fruitful year ahead. And now let me begin with the Rotary International President, Rotarian Stefanie Orchik. She is the second lady Rotarian to head the organization. She is a US national. The RI President, Rotarian Stefanie Orchik, has given the theme for the year 2024 is the magic of Rotary. This is the theme. I think this is the last year where we are going to have the theme. From next year, the theme won't be there. And for the current year, we have our handsome district governor, a retired naval officer, MPHF Rotarian Vikram Datta. He is a go-getter and an active Rotarian. By now, he has already collected 100 PHFs, that is around $1,000 each. And he has planned a 9-fold district projects, namely the first one, Sandhya Suraksha, that is for senior citizens, Project Positive Health, Addiction and De-addiction, for which Dr. Chandrasekhar of the Home Club is the chairman. The fourth one is the cervical cancer awareness and detection. The fifth is the clean drinking water and water management, Jalasiri. This is our installation officer, Rotarian Prakash Karan's project, which is going to tell you in his address. And sixth is the Anganwadi upgradation. Seventh is the skill development activities. Eighth, the road safety and awareness. Ninth is the mental health. These are the projects, and we will have to make it a roaring success this year with all your Rotarians the teamwork should be there. Then we can easily take up the projects. With the above projects, you should be able to get the Platinum Plus award next time. This is a request for our President and her team. And hope you all will work together to make the magic of Rotary. And our governor has planned to have the conference at Adyar Gardens, Mangalore. That will be on 24th, 25th and 26th of January 2025. Now already around 800 registrations are over. I request everyone to register and attend the conference. So I wish you best of luck for the year and take up all the projects. Thank you.
ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಮೂರನೇ ದಿವಸ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 6:30 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಡಿಕೇರಿಯ ರೋಟರಿ ಹಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆದಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಚಂದಗಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸವಿನಯವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೋಟರಿ ಬಂಧುಗಳಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ನಮನಗಳು. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಿಯಾಪಟ್ಟಣ ರೋಟರಿ ಐಕಾನ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ನಿಯೋಜಿತ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷನಾಗಿ ನೇಮಕಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪದಗ್ರಹಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಜುಲೈ 12ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 6:30ಕ್ಕೆ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಪಟ್ಟಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಬೇಕು. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಈ ದಿನ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಗೋಣಿಕೊಪ್ಪದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಶುಭ ನಮನಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಹುಣಸೂರು ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಿಯೋಜಿತ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷನಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಈ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಪದಗ್ರಹಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದೇ ತಿಂಗಳ 9ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಹುಣಸೂರು ರೋಟರಿ ಭವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸಮೇತರಾಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ
in front of the dais. I am Pranav from Rotary Virajpet. And firstly, congratulations to Arun sir for his accomplishments last year. And then I also wish all the best for the new team. And I'm sure they'll do wonders as well. And on that note, I would like to invite all of you for our installation ceremony, which is on the 6th of July. That is day after tomorrow.
I am Dr. Hari Shetty, AG for the Zone 6, counterpart of Kiran and Anand. Congratulations, Sumi Subbaya and our team, and pleasantries from our Kushanagar Club to you. I also congratulate, well done, Arun Mache and your team. Thank you.
All of you, respected ladies and gentlemen, as we came close to this year installation function of new office bearers, on behalf of Rotary Club of Gonikoppa, it gives me immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks to this beautiful gathering. My very special thanks to installation officer, Rotarian Major Owner PDG Prakash Karan, for gracing the occasion with your presence and your inspiring speech. As a token of appreciation, we have a small gift, sir. Please accept. It gives me immense pleasure in extending my sincere thanks to the guest of honor, Assistant Governor, Rotarian DM Kiran, who had highlighted the direction for taking the club to the greater height. Your contribution have made the event highly information. As a token of appreciation, you have accepted the gift. Thank you, sir. My sincere thanks to Zonal Lieutenant Dr. M.U. Changappa. Sir, we have a small gift, sir. My sincere thanks to
Yashaswini Somashekhar, Chairman Pels and Sons, for gracing the occasion, and also our ex-MLC Arun Machaya. I extend my heartfelt thanks to one and all who have helped to make this installation ceremony a grand success. I am very happy to extend my sincere thanks to Rotarian Rajiv for invocation. Thanks to Rotarian Deena and Lata who did the master ceremonies to give the color to this function. Last but not the least, my thanks to all the participants, visitors, media officials, Rotarians, interactors, aunts and aunts of our Rotary Club Gonigoppa.
ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜಗದೀಶ್, ಕೊಡಗು ಧ್ವನಿ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.